Morning students, in continuation with the topic statistical inquiry, today I am going to explain you what are statistical errors. Well children, if we compare the two methods, that is the sample method and census method, we'll find that sample method of statistical investigation is preferred in comparison to a census method. And the reason is very simple, because sample method is less expensive in terms of time, money and efforts involved. At the same time, for the successful application of sample method, it is very essential that sample items represent the characteristics of population as a whole. So children, this statistical error are being classified into two, that is sampling error and non-sampling error. To begin with the first one, that is sampling error. Children, sampling error refers to the difference between the sample and the population that exists because of the observation that happened to be selected for the sample. This means that if we talk about a sampling error, then it has been related to the size or nature of the sample selected for the study. And you know, due to the selection of a very small size of sample to study, what happens? The estimated value may differ from the actual value of a parameter, and the error thus emerge as a sampling error. Let's take an example. For example, let's say if the estimated value of a parameter is found to be 10. So, while the actual or true value is 20, then the sampling error estimated will be the estimated value of the parameter, which is, let's say, 10, and the true value of the parameter, which is 20. So, if you deduct the estimated value of the parameter from the true value of the parameter, you will find estimated value of the parameter we took as 10 and the actual value or a true value of the parameter was 20. So, the difference comes minus 20. So, this error may exist when we take a very small part of the total population for considering any kind of a problem. But children, this sampling error could be improved if we increase the sampling size, because when you increase the sampling size, it will reduce the error. Next is non-sampling error. Now, when we talk about non-sampling error, it is a very general assumption, children, that in this sampling theory, the true value of each unit in the population can be obtained and tabulated without any error. But in practice, this assumption may be wrong or it may be violated. Now, there can be several reasons for this. So, what happened? Due to this, the error in observation is being observed. So, children, see, it's such errors which are due to the some or the other factors. Like if we talk about the factors due to which the non-sampling errors take place, there could be like error of measurement. That means that the error of measurement may occur due to difference in the scale of measurement. When the measurement was done, maybe there's a difference in the scale or difference in the rounding of procedure adopted by the different investigators, while the same problem has been tackled by the different investigators. So there might be some problem or there might be some error while they have rounded up the procedure, or there might be an error of non-response. Now, this arises when the respondent do not offer the required information. Means when the information has been gathered from the respondent, maybe the person has not given the correct information. Then the error might exist because of misinterpretation. Now, this arises when the respondent fails to interpret the question in the questionnaire. That means when you give the questionnaire to a respondent to fill it, let's say he or she might have not understood the question well and the wrong information has been given. In that condition, what happens? The wrong information has been misinterpreted. then there might be an error of calculation. It might occur in the course of addition, subtraction, or multiplication of data. While the data has been collected or when it has been sorted out, it might be possible while adding or subtracting or calculating or the multiplication, some error might have exist. Or there might be an error of sampling bias. When it occurs when for some or the other reason a part of a targeted population cannot be included in the choice of a sample. That means that it might be happening sometime that to a certain extent a certain part of the information has to be removed or could not be included due to some or the other reason. Because of that also there might be a certain kind of an error. So children, this means that larger the field of investigation or larger the population size, greater is the possibility of errors. That is, as the field will be more larger, it might be possible that there might be a situation when the errors will take place. That is, when you collect the data at that time, maybe some errors take place. Now they are telling you over here that we have to note it down over here that a non-sampling error is more serious than a sampling error. Do you know the reason why? Why non-sampling error is more serious? The reason is because a sampling error can be minimized. That means we can minimize the sampling error by opting for a larger sample size. Means under sampling error, if there is some kind of an error is existing, so to reduce that error or to remove that error, what we could do? We could increase our sampling size. That means that we can increase the sample size and that will reduce our error. But when we talk about a non-sampling error, so over here no such possibilities exist. That means under non-sampling error, such errors which are due to the factors other than the sampling, so in that condition, to remove those errors or to minimize those errors is a difficult task. So students, these are the two different statistical errors, that is sampling error and non-sampling error. Though both the errors are not good while collection of the data, or let's say when we have to analyze the data, but as the error exists, so in both the condition one could be minimized to a certain extent or one could be, let's say the other could not be minimized. So the non-sampling error could be a very serious error. Thank you.